Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is going to be a weight loss drink, which very, very good for you. So basically, what I'm going to do now is simple. Give you the recipe, guys. I got 2 cups of water inside of this container. I'm just gonna pour straight inside of the pot. Firstly, what I'm gonna do, I have half of a large lemon, and I'm going to simply squeeze it out inside of a container like this. Put the slice of lemon inside of that water. So basically, this recipe can help you to lose weight and detox in your body. So what we're gonna do is simple. Cut up this lemon, and I'm going to put it straight inside of that. Water, just like this. All right. Then what we're gonna do with the ginger, put it straight inside of the water, and then we're gonna put it to the boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right. Ginger together. And I'm gonna put half of another lemon inside of it. That is fantastic and lovely, guys, honestly. And not only that, you can drink this every morning and in the stomach, and you can see the result. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see exactly what's going on in the kitchen. Look at that. That is beautiful and nice. So I have this roughly boiling up over the last roughly about 10 minutes now since I'm having it boiling. That is fantastic. So what we're going to do now is simple, strain it off, and as I said, you can drink this with honey, or some people use sweetener, but I only encourage you to use honey or sweetener. Drink it natural, and this is very good to drink early in the morning before even breakfast. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm gonna simple pour it off. The ginger and everything is boiled out. Nice one. So now what we're going to do is simple strain it. Nice. So as you can see, that's it. Done and dusted. And what we're going to do now is pour this bit of juice inside of it. Lovely. So basically what you can do is drink this early in the morning before your breakfast. Put a 2 pieces of the seeds in it, skins. Yeah. Early morning drink. And as I said, it's really fantastic and nice, guys. Honestly, drink this early in the morning and you can see exactly what happened to your body. Weight loss. Do some research on ginger and lemon. And as I say, you can use honey, but I would prefer drink it natural, like this honey or sweetener inside of it. Alright? Stay tuned, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and team, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.